3 ways that we can use essential oils. So the first way is aromatically. So that's using your diffuser, right? We can use a diffuser so everybody in your whole house can enjoy it. Now, the benefits of a diffuser is, let's say for example, somebody is sick and you want to kind of purify the air. You could add some thieves to your diffuser and just put it in the room and let it clean your air. They also act as good replacement to air fresheners and air plugins. And as we know, and that they're just bad for you guys. Okay. The other way you can do it is by getting an oil. Let's say, for example, we want to feel brave and courageous, or we're feeling a little emotional and we want to just feel balanced in our body. So we can have Valor. Valor is a good one. Oh, it's so good. So what you would do is just put a drop in your hand like this. See that beautiful blue drop of Valor? I like to rub my hands together and then breathe it in over and over and over again. And what that does to us when we breathe these amazing essential oils and aromatically is it passes our blood-brain barrier into our limbic system, and it can affect our mood, our emotions, our hormones, our blood pressure, and it's so amazing that they can do that. So that's another reason why we want to have pure essential oils, because it has such an effect on, it can pass that we want to make sure we're breathing in pure essential oils. So that's one way you can use it, is aromatically, and I love that because you can use it in the kids' room. You can put it in your kids' room when they're sick and just put in some essential oils to help with like breathing or congestion, or maybe you want them to have an immune boost, or maybe they can't settle down, so you put an essential oil in your diffuser to help them calm the mood and the atmosphere and help them all sleep good at night. So, it smells so good. So what I like to do after putting essential oils on my hands, now depending on the essential oil, you want to be careful, because if you're using something like, let's say, thieves, and you put it on your hand, well, and then you go put it on your neck like this, it could burn a little bit. So make sure you watch my video on essential oil safety that I'll be doing, but I like to put the rest of it on the back of my neck and on my chest and that sort of thing, and you just let it get all over my skin. And we're going to talk about how to use essential oils topically next, so stay tuned.